Hola, hola, ¿qué tal amigos? Bienvenidos a la clase de español, semana 4. Esta semana vamos a hablar de el calendario. And you will be working on the same notes as yesterday. These notes here are called el calendario notes. Alright? So you just need to open them from Schoology. And actually you already have them in your Notability. So just open them in Notability and let's get right to work. Now, before we even continue, let's take a look at our objectives. I can name all the days of the week in Spanish, and that was yesterday's class. So you should have practice, you should be working on that. Now notice that in your Duolingo, you can select this type of vocabulary to practice as well. So I definitely encourage you to do that. Today, I want you to be able to name all the months of the year, and at the end of the class, you will take a quick checkpoint where you can prove what you've learned. And it will be open notes. You can certainly take it several times. The idea is to practice. So before we go any further, take a look at this video. I posted the link up in Schoology. Take a listen to it. It's a long video, but it's fun. And trust me, it helps to sing along with it. So sing along with it. It goes to the tune of a Spanish song called La Vaca Lola. La vaca Lola, la vaca Lola, tiene cabeza y tiene cola. Yay, great fun. Get to it. Pause this video and go listen to that. Go watch that YouTube video ASAP. Gracias. You're back. Excellent. Well, remember to open your notes. And you should have already all of these bits of information in them. The month is called el mes. The day is called el día. The week, la semana. And the whole year is called el año. All right? El año. Let's get right into the months. I'm going to say them for you. I'm going to break it down into syllables, and I expect you to write it into the appropriate spaces in your note taker. All right? Ready? January is enero. Enero. Repitan. If you haven't figured it out, repitan means repeat. This is a work of speaking, so you need to always be ready to speak, sing along to songs, and have fun with it, all right? All right, let's move it along a little faster. Here we go. February. Febrero. Febrero. Repitan. Gracias. March. Marzo. Marzo. Notice that the Z does not have that very same English sort of electric pronunciation. Brz. It's not marzo, it's marzo. Imagine there's an S in there. Marzo. Repitan. Gracias. The month we're in. April. Abril. Abril. Repitan. Gracias. May. Mayo. Oh, it looks dangerously like the word mayo, but we will never say mayo because we know the A is pronounced A, like avocado. So it's mayo, like Cinco de Mayo. Break it down for you. Mayo. Repitan. Gracias. June. June. Spanish. Junio. Junio. Repitan. Gracias. July, named after Julius Caesar. Julio. Julio. Repitan. August, named after his nephew, Caesar Augustus. Let's get to it. Agosto. Una vez más, agosto. Gracias. And these are very similar also. Septiembre. Septiembre. Repite. Gracias. Octubre. Repite. Octubre. noviembre, noviembre, 3 syllables. Repite, noviembre. Gracias. And the month where my birthday is, diciembre. Una vez más, diciembre. Okay, work on your pronunciation. Try to match what I'm doing as much as possible. Remember to pronounce each vowel. Give it some attention, some special care and love. Every vowel deserves love. All right? Now I want you to pause the video, go back, actually rewind it a little bit, and go through these names a little faster this time, but I want you to say them one more time. What is the date? The question in Spanish is, ¿cuál es la fecha? ¿Cuál es la fecha? Fecha means date. Very different from the question, ¿qué día es? Which is, what day is it? Repite, ¿cuál es la fecha? ¿Cuál es la fecha? And friends, pay close attention because there's a trick here that I know will trick many of you in the homework. This is the time to be clear and not get tricked in the homework. Okay? This is how you say it. Hoy, or today, es el, then you say the number of the day, de, and then you say the month. In English, you might say something like today is April 27th, April 28th. In Spanish, you're going to say today is 28th of April. Today is the 28th of April. So, for example, ¿cuál es la fecha de hoy? Hoy es el 28 de abril. Okay? Notice that format, and that's going to be in the homework, so I want to explain it to you real quick. Here's the homework. All right? And notice that it says día and mes here. It means that the first number is a reference to the day of the month, and the second number is a reference to the month itself. Notice that diciembre is month 12, all right? So you should be able to figure all this out without any problems. Some quick thoughts on these here, okay? ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? Hoy is today, okay? So what is today's date? Dia de San Valentin. You can figure that one out. San Valentin. Come on now. It happened in February. You know this. How about Año Nuevo? Año Nuevo, the New Year. Too easy, right? La Navidad. San Patricio. Does that sound familiar? Does that sound like something? San Patricio. St. Patrick's Day. Independence Day is number 6. And finally, ¿cuál es la fecha de mañana? Mañana means tomorrow. So what is tomorrow's date? Okay. Go ahead and fill this out. Submit it as soon as you have it. And finally, to do a little bit of practice, go ahead and take this checkpoint. Now notice that it is an open note checkpoint. You can use your notes and you can also take it several times. So I'm really expecting 100% results here from everyone. It's just to practice. Don't forget to hop on Duolingo for 15 minutes today. And nos vemos pronto. Hasta luego. Chao. Adiós. La vaca Lola, tiene cabeza y tiene cola.